Welcome to our second installment looking at the 2025 Ford Mustang Dark Horse. In this episode, we're going to be taking a look into the process of protecting this car in XPEL Ultimate Fusion paint protection film from the start right up until the finish. Let's get into it. So there you have it. If you want to check out the finished product in detail, check out our first episode where we explore the Ford Mustang Dark Horse and everything that it is in full detail. Otherwise, if you have any other questions about the products or process or anything else that we do here at MADinc, don't hesitate to check out our social media or website, other videos on our YouTube channel, or you can get in contact with us. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time.